Are you ready to learn everything you need to know to generate pro-level AI videos on Adobe Firefly? Whether you want to turn your ideas into attention-grabbing videos, transform an image into a dynamic video clip, or even edit videos with text prompts, I'll show you how in this Adobe-sponsored video. You'll learn a simple prompt formula to generate the exact video you want each time, and discover the various capabilities of the AI-powered video generator. So let's head over to Firefly and go over how to generate AI videos. So to generate AI videos on Adobe Firefly, the first thing we need to do is head over to the video generator. To do this, let's start by clicking the New button at the top of the menu on the left-hand side. From the menu here, let's go to the Generate New section and click the Video tab. And this should open up the Adobe Firefly video generator. From here, we can use AI to generate pretty much any video that we need. If you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu where you can select your video settings. If we select the model drop-down menu at the top, we can see all the AI models that are currently available for us to use. Instead of having to sign up to each model individually, we have access to all the top models right here in Firefly. This, of course, includes the Firefly video model, which is the best option for your brand or business because it's commercially safe, and also several partner models, which feature some of the best AI generators out there. This includes some of the most popular AI models, such as Veo, Kling, and Sora. Each model will vary by speed, quality, and cost, so the model you select will depend on whatever it is you're creating. If you need a pro-level Hollywood-style video, then you can go with something like Veo 3.1 or Kling 3.0. But if you're just getting started with AI video generation, I recommend going with the standard Firefly model for the best balance of speed and control. And keep in mind, each time you generate a video, it'll cost credits. With the generative credit system, credits will be deducted from your account each time you hit the Generate button. The amount of credits required will depend on the AI model you're using. So if I select Veo 3.1 for example, we can see that it'll cost 400 credits for an 8-second video. But if I wanted to go with the Ray 314 HDR model, we can see that it costs 600 credits for a 5-second video. So remember that credits will be used each time you generate a video. The amount will depend on the AI model you select and your video duration. Your credits will refresh every single month, and a set amount of credits come with all Firefly plans that are available. And if you ever needed to add more credits to your account, you could simply click the button up top here. But before you generate your video, you want to select your video settings. You can view the video settings in the menu on the left-hand side, and the settings that are available will depend on the AI model you select. For the Ray HDR model here, for example, we only have a few settings including the resolution, aspect ratio, and the ability to add frames. But if we go to the model drop-down menu, then select Firefly Video, we can see that there are tons more video settings that are available. This includes the ability to add composition and motion reference videos, and even select your shot size, camera angle, motion, or style. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go with my favorite for generating studio quality videos, which is Veo 3.1. And as you can see, Veo 3.1 has a different selection of settings, so let's select the settings I want to use for my video. For my resolution, let's change it to 1080p. And for my aspect ratio, I think I'll leave it on widescreen 16:9. And with Veo 3.1, we can select a duration of 4 seconds, 6 seconds, or 8 seconds. I think I'll just go down the middle with 6. And with certain AI video models like Veo 3.1, we can also add audio to our videos. This includes things like music, speech, or sound effects, so I think I'll turn this on as well. And in the references section underneath, we can also add frames, but we'll be going over this later in the video. So I've selected my AI model and my video settings. So now let's go over how to write text prompts that actually generate the videos that you want. At the bottom here, you'll see a text field where you can enter a prompt describing the video that you want to generate. But remember, AI can't read your mind, so you'll need to use a detailed text prompt to describe everything that you want to include. But writing text prompts can be a bit tricky, and without a proper strategy, you may have to generate the video multiple times, wasting credits. So to prevent this, let's go over a simple prompt formula so you can have a framework to accurately generate any video that you can think of. This is a simple 4-step prompt formula that'll help you generate exactly what you want. First, start by writing the subject, which tells AI who or what's displayed in your video. You then want to describe the action, which explains what your subject is doing or what's happening. You also want to describe the setting, which explains things like the location, the scenery, or the lighting. And for the 4th step, you also want to describe your video style, which describes things like the mood, vibe, or the look. So for my first video example, let's use the formula to create a good text prompt. For my video, I think I want my subject to be a solitary astronaut in a spacesuit. And for the action, let's simply have the astronaut standing on a canyon edge. And for my setting, I want it to be on Mars with an Earthrise over the distant horizon. And for my video style, I want it to look realistic with a wide-angle lens with high contrast. And once you've described each step in the formula, simply combine the steps to create your text prompt. So after completing the 4-step formula, my prompt now reads a solitary astronaut in a spacesuit, standing on a canyon edge on Mars, Earthrise over the distant horizon, realistic wide-angle lens, high contrast. I think that'll work. So now that I have a detailed text prompt describing the video that I want to create, let's use the text to generate our first video. So using the prompt that we just created, let's add it to the text field at the bottom of the page. We've already used the 4-step formula to come up with the structure for our prompt, but feel free to add more descriptive details if you like as well. There we go. So I've selected my AI model, my video settings, and added my text prompt. So now let's go down to the bottom right and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze my prompt and my settings and start generating my video. And after about 2 or 3 minutes, my video should be ready. And here's my astronaut standing on a cliff's edge. Let's play the video and see how it looks. And as requested, my astronaut is on a cliff's edge on Mars looking at an Earthrise. It looks highly detailed and realistic, and it even includes some cool ambient sound. And by using the prompt formula, my video came out perfect the first time. So now I can simply download it and use it for whatever project I'm working on. But using AI, not only can we generate realistic looking videos, but also stylized videos as well. Whether you want your video to look like a watercolor painting, an anime scene, or a 3D style cartoon, you can easily do it with AI. So to test out generating stylized videos, let's enter another text prompt. For my subject, let's make it a grumpy, anthropomorphic coffee mug. For the action, let's have him waking up, yawning, and stretching. For my setting, I'm gonna make it a slightly messy kitchen counter. And for the style, let's make it a frame-by-frame claymation animation. I can then add any final details, such as to add visible fingerprints and add a slightly jerking and charming movement. And now that I've added my text prompt, let's go down to the bottom right and click the Generate button. And let's see how AI does when generating stylized videos. The amount of time it takes to generate will depend on the model that you're using and the duration. So my video should take around 2 or so minutes. And my coffee mug claymation video is now ready. Let's play it and see how it looks. Wow, this looks pretty cool. The grumpy coffee mug wakes up, yawns, and stretches. And it even included some complimentary music and sound effects. I think this looks great. So now I can download my video and use it for whatever it is I'm working on. So as you can see, Firefly is great for turning your text into dynamic video clips. But using the video generator, we can also turn images and photos into videos. Maybe you want to turn a vacation photo into a cool video, or turn a boring, static social media post into something more attention-grabbing. With image to video capabilities, this can easily be done on Firefly. So to test this out, let's go to the References section from the Settings menu on the left-hand side. From here, you should see the Frames option. Here's where you can upload a starting frame for your video, which will be the image that you want to animate. For this example, I want to see if I can turn this product image here into a cool video that I can use for a social media ad campaign. So to do this, let's first start by uploading my image. To upload my image, let's go to the Frame section and click the first option. You can then click your device, then find and open up the image that you want to use. And my product image has now been added as my first frame. Go ahead and make sure all your other settings are correct. Then we can go down and enter our text prompt. The video that I generate should start with the image that I uploaded, but let's add a text prompt telling AI how I want the image to move. For this demonstration, I'm going to enter a more detailed text prompt to create a good video for my ad campaign. I want to generate a high-end motion graphics video starting with an extreme close-up of the red and white logo. The camera should then pull back, revealing the entire logo on the hoodie. For the action, I want the camera to pull back and the hoodie to quickly rotate. The setting is in a studio with soft shadows, shot in a photorealistic product photography style. And now that I've entered my text prompt, let's click the Generate button and see if AI can turn my image into a video. And after a few moments, my new video should be ready. As you can see, my video will start with the exact image that I uploaded, so let's play it and see how it turned out. Wow, I think that looked amazing. The camera zooms out from the logo, the hoodie rotates, and it's in a white studio setting. I think this is a really cool motion graphic for my product ad campaign, and I could now download it to promote my product. But let's say I really like this video, but I have multiple colors of the hoodie that I want to promote. Instead of generating a brand new video for each color, I can simply edit this video here using the prompt to edit feature. With prompt to edit, you can easily make changes to any video that you generate, or even videos that you upload. So to edit this video and create another version with a navy hoodie, let's hover our mouse over the video and click the Modify button at the top left. From the drop-down menu, let's click the Prompt to Edit Clip tab. And this will take us over to the Edit page where we can edit our video using text prompts. If you look at the top left of the prompt field, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your AI model. From here, we currently have 3 partner models that we can use to edit our video, including Runway, Clean, and Ray. I've really been liking how Clean 3.0 has been performing, so I think I'll select that model. And now that I've selected an AI model, I can simply type in my text prompt explaining the changes that I want to make. For my text prompt, I'm just going to keep things simple and ask AI to change the hoodie color to navy and keep the logo on the front unchanged. And if all goes well, this should generate the exact same video, with the only difference being the hoodie color is navy. And if we look down at the bottom, we can see that with Clean 3.0 Omni, it'll cost me 240 credits to edit my video. So now that I've added my text prompt, let's click the Generate button and see if AI can make my changes. AI will then start working its magic, and after a few moments, my video should be ready. Let's play it and see how it looks. And as you can see, my hoodie has been changed to navy, and everything else remains exactly the same. I think that worked perfectly. I can now download it, and I now have 2 versions of my video that I can use for my ad campaign. Being able to edit videos with text prompts will save you tons of time, whether you need to change a small detail or create a new version. So now let's click the Generate tab at the top to go back to the video generator. So we've gone over how to turn images into videos using the first frame, but now let's go over how to add an image to the first and last frame to create frame transitions. With frame transitions, we can add a starting image and an ending image and have AI create a video clip transitioning from one to the other. So to see how this works, let's start by adding my starting image by clicking the first frame here. I want to create another video for my product ad campaign, so I'm actually just going to start with a blank white image to match the background of my product. And to add my ending image, let's select the last option. I want my video to end on my product image, so I'm going to upload it for my last frame. So my video should transition from a completely white screen to my product image here. But how it transitions is where we come in. Using text prompts, we can have AI make our video transition in pretty much any way that we like. So to test this out, let's go down to the bottom and add my text prompt. I want to see what the AI is really capable of, so let's see if it can do a pretty complex transformation. For my frame-to-frame transition, I want it to start with the blank white image, and then have all the individual threads of my hoodie come on screen and start weaving themselves together fast. I want it to start at the cuffs, and then go up until the entire hoodie is weaved. This should be a pretty attention-grabbing motion graphic, so let's go down to the bottom and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze my text prompt and start generating my frame-to-frame transition. And once it's finished, my new video will be available in the preview. We can see that it starts with my blank white image, but let's play the video and see how it looks. Not bad. All the individual threads come into view and start weaving themselves together to form my hoodie. And the transition started with my blank white image and ended with my product image here. I can now download my new video and use it with my product ad campaign. So as you can see, the video generator on Adobe Firefly is a powerful AI tool that you can use to create some amazing videos. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and see what kind of videos you can generate. If you haven't signed up for Firefly yet, make sure you click the link in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.